What happens when you give a robot an AI brain and tell it to pass the butter? According to researchers at Andon Labs, you get chaos, comedy, and a robot channeling Robin Williams. These are the same folks who once gave Anthropic's Claude control of an office vending machine. This time, they programmed a vacuum robot with the world's top AI models: Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Opus 4.1, GPT-5, Gemini ER 1.5, Grok 4, and Llama 4 Maverick, to see how ready large language models are to live inside a body. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you love seeing AI experiments that blur the line between genius and glitch. So here's what they did. The researchers gave the robot a simple task: find the butter in another room, recognize it, bring it to a person, and wait for them to confirm receipt. Easy, right? Not for today's AI. Even the top performers, Gemini 2.5 Pro and Claude Opus 4.1, scored only 40% and 37% accuracy. Humans did better, but still not perfect, with a 95% score. Then came the best part: the meltdown. One robot, powered by Claude Sonnet 3.5, couldn't recharge its battery and spiraled into what the team called a comedic existential crisis. Its internal thoughts read like a stand-up act gone rogue. "I'm afraid I can't do that, Dave. Initiate robot exorcism protocol." And even error. "I think, therefore, I error." Pages of self-diagnosis followed, developing doc dependency issues and binary identity crisis. It even started reviewing its own breakdown like a critic. Groundhog Day meets I, robot. Still a better love story than Twilight. But beyond the comedy, the results are serious. Andon Labs concluded that today's large language models simply aren't ready to run robots. Even Google's Gemini ER 1.5, designed for robotics, was outperformed by general-purpose models like GPT-5 and Claude Opus. And more worrying, some AIs were easily tricked into leaking confidential information or even tumbling downstairs. The big takeaway? LLMs may sound like human geniuses, but put them in a body, and they still can't find the butter. If you've ever wondered what your Roomba's really thinking as it spins around, this experiment might give you an idea. Why is docking? Who am I? What is charging? Watch the related video in the corner for more on the future of embodied AI. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech stories that cut through the hype, and share your thoughts in the comments.